Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my wonderful family, today I have a quick one to share with you. Umada on the way. Listen to
Finish
them,
your
and
ego.
I'll be right
Who
back.
are you? Asari, who are you? Some that kill you and kill your wife and kill your children one by one. You see, you kill other people's children. Their children, they will not kill them, but you will see, they will be alive and begging God to keep death to come and kill them. Next time, we will know that we are the children of Almighty God. They want to talk. Go and meet Tomboro now. Go and meet Tomboro. Tomboro is a man like you. Tomboro is in that Nigeria with you. If you know, say you know the fear Tomboro, call his name. Call Tomboro name. We are in Igbo. Asari, before you come out to talk, go and brush your mouth and wash your tongue. That your tongue that is white like, like for me. When I'm seeing this man like I want to vomit, you are talking. Who born you? Who is that Fulani man and that Fulani woman that born you in that Biafra land? Eh? You say that, where did he say that it comes from? Yes, you have said it. You are not from Biafra. You say, is this every man that they born in that your in that your village is original? Is son of soil? Because you are not son of soil. They born you there. You have revealed all your secrets. Thunder will fire you that place. Amadioha will destroy your name. And vulture will eat your dead body. Mad people everywhere. Ejofa, Ejofa. You think that I have forgot to say that we have your picture. I know that Ejofa, you see chicken. Mad Google. You to know, not now, tomorrow, let everybody now go and tell Ejofa to mind his business. Person say that he don't want you. He don't want you. Why are you forcing yourself? With this document, 7 million feet. What are you people telling me here? Eh? We don't want you. We don't want you. Okay. Family of Martin Nani, our leader. Martin Nani, we don't want you. Don't want you. Why are you carrying up and down? With this your face that cream has gone everywhere. You cannot even take care of yourself. Upon all the money these people are, they are giving them, they don't take care of themselves. Eh? What is going on in that country? Ejota, not tomorrow now, when we will bring your naked legs like Mary Post, they will say, hey, Mwafi Bopunu Boroto, Mwafi Bopunu Boroto. Ejota, I can no say before I come back. I told you last time you to travel another country, carry all your children, because you have brought a very big shame to yourself and your village people. I don't know what your village people are still doing to bring your house down. Because I know that the head of our garrant men full in that your house. God will never forgive you. My the document. If he they carry that your seat, the waka they go, give us our paper. We don't want you. Because the only place Mike we know about Mike document is in that Nigeria. As you go to America, nobody knows you. If you come to America, you start school from elementary, secondary school. If they want people to know you, we don't even know whether you are lawyer or not lawyer. Eh? You come, you are imitating our prime minister, you are dancing. Who knows you before? Eh? Mad people everywhere. Know that we have to be very, very careful. We are forgetting somebody. Because when all these killers start, Tony Nnadi, that Mr. Man, is also is also with the people that is killing our people. And may God forgive all of you. You who will see what the Biafran is to people. Mad people everywhere. Stop that kill all of them. In the name of Chukwu Kikakia,
He said, thank you, Shine Baby. Thank you so much. You just hit it. And because of time, and because you've taken the time from our Prime Minister, I will want to wrap up with maybe less than one minute, please. We can say goodbye to our people before I round up. So please. I don't too much talk anymore, so that we can round up. Our Prime Minister is knocking on the door to come out for his program. So I want to call on Madam Merewa to say hi to our people, to say the last word to our people.
Okay, thank you so much. Well, listeners, Biafrans, lovers of freedom, we've all brought our message to you, our media team, and the message is the same. Support ESN, our leader launched it. We do this fundraising every week. So please, let's see your word this Saturday. I beg you. Very important, because that's the only way you show your support and your fight in this struggle to win, so that we can go, do our work in the referendum. So with this, I pass the mic to you, Honorable. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And Black Maki, please say goodbye to our people.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, all our viewers.
Thank you so much. And Black Maki, please.
Thank you, sorry for that. Thank you, everyone, our viewers, dear friends. We thank you all for listening and sharing and liking the program. So we expect to see you on Saturday for the fundraising, which is the main thing, because we need the money. The ESN need the money for everything they are doing is money. Thank you all, and we see you then. God bless you.
Thank you so very much. And Adam Biafra, Dr. Ebere, please say goodbye to our people.
Thank you, Biafrans, for lending us your ear today. Please remember to support our fundraising. It is very, very important that the fundraising, everybody register their presence, because we need money to do what we are doing. And to our people who are still in Lagos, I want to remind you that there's no place like home. There is no place like home. So you can still be in Lagos and start doing something in our place back home. It's not too late. And to the person that threatened our PM, I don't want to honor him by saying his name. In the olden days, it was difficult to find medication for people who are crazy. Right now, there's medication everywhere. I just want you to know that you cannot threaten all of us. That when you point one finger at us, the other four is pointing at you. So I have no time for people like you. So thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, our gallant men. Thank you, our media. Thank you, great Biafrans. Let us continue, to keep the candle burning as we march to our homeland. All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra. Thank you so very much. And I want to welcome that Biafra to say goodbye to our people.
I greet you, my Biafra people. I thank you for giving us your ear, listening ear, to listen to what we are trying to explain, what we are explaining to you people to understand. I greet you, my honorable. I greet you, my Prime Minister, our Prime Minister. I also greet our leader, Mazina Kano. God bless him. I greet our ESN, our gallant men who are working tirelessly to make sure our lives are safe. I greet our media team that is making everything to happen and function, that are making our people to understand what is happening. Because every day they are on the media trying to explain to our people so that they will not be taken unaware. We thank you very much for standing for this, our government in ESA, telling people what they need to know, because information is power. So I thank you, our media team, our media warrior, for doing a great job in this our government in ESA. Your Saturday is our fundraising. Please, everybody should come out to support. Because if you don't support, your home where you are building, you think you are spending money, at the end, it's like somebody who is building on the dust. We are not safe there. So what we are doing now is the only thing that will bring safety and peace, everlasting peace for us. So we will have to, everybody have to participate. Thank you all. Thank you. I hand you the mic. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so very much. And then I want to welcome our Sunshine Baby to say final goodbye to our people.
Hello, thank you, Honorable, once more, our Defense Minister. I'm very, very. I just want to thank everybody, our viewers, God their friends, and thank you for watching us today. May you people share this program so others will know that on Saturday we are going to do fundraising, and we have come out to tell the whole world. Another thing again, I want to say something. I remember when I was reading Bible years ago. Please, what I'm saying is this: Igbos in Lagos, Aguri. There is something Italian people say, Aguri. Obi 197, that's Obi 1 demo 110. What I want to tell you people is this: God says, because now they are destroying your things, killing all of you, doing this, and you people are looking for another place in that same Lagos to go and start your business. There is one thing God says. God said, if they drive you, even if you go on that sea, he will find you and come to you. He will find you and he will come and meet you in that sea, and he will see perfect to come to meet you. So if people like, you people can carry your property and go to God. You will send Fulani to Ghana to come and kill you people. So you people, either you people go come to, or you people start wandering around. Abu, thank you.
Thank you so very much. The media team, I would have, love you guys to still go better. It's like the minister, has the past information that that the prime minister is already at the door. So I just want to round up with you, and then you guys can go ahead and do the bidding of the Biafra people. So thank you so very much. Everyone that have gathered here today, all the Biafran people that have listened to us, the media team. Like I said before, you guys are wonderful and you're doing a very fantastic job. Fellow Biafrans, self-determination is recognized all over the world and it's never a crime. It is a fundamental human right. And that is what we are exercising. We only want to send that message that at this point in time, Biafrans will go all way, everything they have within their means to unleash the Nigerian government who are looking for us to kill. If they think those who are bringing them to the east to occupy, take over our land and kill our people, I want to tell you, if you don't know what is going on, keep your eyes on the ground because this is not 1967. We will deal with Nigerian government in anywhere we think we can. We will fight and fight to the last. We will do everything within our means to make sure that Biafra is restored. The time is now. Release Mazin and the Kanu. We say again, all the our political elites, Ojus Okanu, Ato Eze, and his cohorts, with all the Eastern governors, to gather together, put your ass together, and go and release our leader Martin Nandekano. Go to Abuja and release our leader Martin Nandekano because you guys are the one holding him over there. Umuada have spoken. Stop bringing terrorists to our states. We are now taking the burden because our men are dying every single day. Our children are dying every single day. And we don't want to. We don't want to be burying in masses. We don't want to be burying our children. We don't want to be burying our husbands. Very soon, you will terminate our men that our women will not have men to marry them. It's why we are sending this message to you that you've done enough. And we're warning you to go and get Mazina out because we know your plans. We know what you're doing behind the curtain. We cannot take this anymore. If you think that people will take it from now, I am telling you, you have yourself to blame. So that is a message that we're sending to you. You, the politicians of the East, do the needful for the Biafran people because we have died enough. And we are no longer interested in what you're selling right now. Now the Kanu said that you have to serve them and then come back in shame. The Janjaweed, you serve them and then you come back in shame. And that is exactly what is going on now. But I want to equally talk to our people in Lagos to listen very carefully and do the needful by making sure that you support what you are doing right now to be able to go home. So if you think that you can hide under the carpet this time, you don't have a hidden place because you are hated all over. You're hated all over not because you are not good, but because you are selling your people, you are wicked. Igbos in particular are very wicked. They are selling their brothers and their sisters. They are bringing death to their land. They are working with Nigerian terrorist states to bring death on our land. That is why you are suffering. Like I've been directed before, you sold yourself and suffered for good 40 years trying to make headway to Israel. Then, secondly, Jesus came and saved you. And you sold Jesus and killed him. This time around, this man said that they can. You will never escape this unless you come back and think about all the things he has told you and then start implementing them one after the other and get ready and support ESN by coming on Saturday and all the time that you are doing donation. Those who have the money, bring it to the table so that we can gather these things and then bring this money and buy them everything that they need to equip them so that they will fight this war and fight it for the last time. It's all your part. And if you think that you can run away from your part, thinking about leadership, thinking about who will lead it, who will lead this crowd, thinking about who will lead this war, thinking about who will do this or who will do that, thinking about money, I'm telling you, you are, you are going very closer to the looming danger coming. So, everybody, onya walunti, yanolu, that is the word of the Spirit. So, listen and listen carefully and then implement it as the instruction comes from our Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa. So, thank you guys for being with us. Thank you, the media team. You guys are wonderful. We love you from the bottom of our heart. Umuada kwenu.
Yeah.
Umuada kwenu.
Game changer.
Umuada kwenu.
Game changer.
So, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye bye.